Hey y'all, it's Eddie Chung here, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to set backgrounds in iOS. Alright, open up your storyboard or whatever zib you want to modify. Click on the view and then go over to this attributes inspector icon. And if you don't have that panel open, you can click this button in the top right hand corner. And then you can go to background and then you can select any color you want here. You can change the color to red, green, teal, or back to white. You can also go to custom here, change these values around or paste in the hex color here. You can also use the color wheel here to select a background color. Command R and run our app, you'll see the new background color. So that's how you set a background color in your app. Now, if you want to set a background image, click this plus sign here in the top right hand corner, and then you search for an image view. You can sort of drag that into your view here, and then you want to expand this so it fills the screen, and you can hit this TIE fighter icon here. Then let's add constraints to the top, bottom, right, left. And we're going to set that all to 0 and hit add 4 new constraints. And that will fill the screen like so. If you want to change the top here so it covers this little safety area here, cut off, you can just make this like -10 or maybe minus like 100. Maybe like minus like 80. That will ensure that your image is covering the whole screen, and you can save that and then just select an image that you would want to set for this background. I'm going to select some random image I got from the internet. So you can go to assets here and just drag in an image. I'll drag this in, leaf background. You can go back to your main storyboard, click on the image view, and then go to the attribute inspector here. And on an image, you can just type in what you just made. So leaf background like so. And you can see it doesn't really fill up the whole screen yet. We can change the content mode from aspect fit to aspect fill. And there you have it. Now it fills up the full screen, and you can do Command R to run it. And there you have a nice background image for your app. Now, what if we wanted to do this in code? Let's just delete all this stuff. To set background color in code, you can open up view controller, and then here we can do view.background color is equal to UI color.red. And then if we run our app, you can see that it's red. There's a bunch of different other colors you can do, like blue. There's a bunch of default colors. You can also use a hex value. I will provide the code for that in the description below. Now let's take a look at how to set a background image in code. So we can do let background image equal to UI image view, and then we'll set the frame to the screen.main.bounds, and then we'll set the background image.image equal to UI image, and then here we can do named, and we'll just put in the background image name here. So we check our XE assets, it's called leaf background, so we can put in leaf background here. And then we can do background image.content mode, and this one will do scale aspect fill. So it's the same one we had in the previous one. And then lastly, we can do a view.insert subview background image, add 0. And then we can run this, and there you have it. So now we have the leaf fully done in code. I prepared a one-page PDF summary of all the ways you can set a background in iOS. I've also included some links to where you can find free images to use for your background. Click on the link below, subscribe to learn more.